Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and the Fall Creators update is out, and there's a number of things that we need to do in order to get ready and to optimize Tablet Pro and your computer for working in art programs. Go ahead and right-click your desktop, choose Personalize. We're going to scroll down and choose Open Theme Settings, Mouse Cursor. Now I have this set up this way because this is what I prefer. And with the new issues with the Fall Creators Update, I find that this is the best looking option for me. You can do this obviously however you like. So we're going to choose Windows Black System Scheme, which is right here. And this does this black cursor. You select it, choose OK. Pointer options, we're going to choose Display Pointer Trails. Put that all the way to short. And then this, I think, has a slightly better appearance if you turn this off. And pointers is set here, enable pointer shadow. I prefer that, but again, not really necessary for any of this. Then I have these both turned off. Alright, let's go to the next setting we need to change. Go into Tablet Pro, choose Settings, Pointer, and Fake Cursor. We're going to turn this on. I'm going to show what this looks like when it's turned off. You can see that there's a lot of flicker in the mouse pointer. Now we've made some adjustments to improve this, but there's still work that needs to be done to get this to be as smooth and clean as we want. You can see here there's still a little bit of flicker underneath as we're moving the mouse, but it's a whole lot more stable than before. At working, this is anytime, so this is both when Tablet Pro is on and when it's off. All cursor figures, this is important. Default is going to put the white mouse pointer, the small one, right underneath it, and really does not have a good look. So we're going to choose all cursor figures. And you can see already that's a lot better. Now in the Fall Creators Update, there is no longer the ability to do the transparent keyboard, which, since we have this smaller keyboard, which is available by choosing the settings, normally it's going to look like this. Tap on this icon and choose the smaller one, which has swipe functionality as well as speech to text. So you can just talk and it'll type in where you're, what you're saying. It's not perfect, it is pretty good. Alright, another setting that you're going to want to change, let's go ahead and click here. Calibrate the screen for pen or touch input. And we're going to choose Other and go to Pen and Touch. Now this has the right and left-handed options in it right here. These don't seem to make a difference anymore, so we're going to leave those alone. Single tap, all these are fine. Press and hold is what we want to change, because if you're trying to draw a dot inside of a drawing program and it chooses right click all the time, that's going to be very frustrating. Alright, enable press and hold for right click, we want this disabled. Now, I believe this is a bug, but currently also you have to disable touch the same way. Press and hold, choose settings, and make sure that's not selected. That does mean that when you're just using touch inside of Windows, you cannot just hold. You can't just hold and have right click come up. If you're using the full screen mode, that's not going to matter because Tablet Pro has that ability, and you can just swap into your artist pad and have the regular touch and then use the right click. So you press the button in and tap the screen is going to give you a right click. At least it should. Now we do have, I like to keep my desktop icons turned off, but we do have these new all-inclusive pen remapping scripts. And so basically what I can do here, if I want to have undo, you can see it's turned on here. This was more complicated before. Now you can just drag these onto your desktop and if you press this, you're going to see what I did before has been undone because it's undo. Makes sense, right? If you want to get rid of it, you can right click here and click exit, and now you have just the regular standard right click. It does, however, when you do that, it will perform an undo at the same time that you're doing right click, because both of those functions are currently overlapping when you do the right click or the undo. And so we're working on figuring out how to get it so only undo is performed and not right click. Ideally it would be tap for right click and hover click for undo. So we're working on that. Hopefully that's helpful, and as always, if you guys have questions, feel free to send me an email at justice@tabletpro.com or to write in the comments. Alright, thanks guys. Until next time, stay creative.